Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to embed PDF in WordPress with Elementor free plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, very fast, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. Okay, this is my example website which I have made only for this tutorial purpose, and you can see I have embedded a PDF document in this page. And very fast, you can see this is the zoom in and zoom out option. If you click this plus icon, then the document will be zoom in, and if you click this minus icon, then it will be zoom out. And very right side you can see text. If you click here, then you can see this is the text size and color. You can add text here. Okay, in this way you can add text and you can change this text color. Okay, and the text size. The another icon is pencil icon. If you click here, then you can draw anything here. You can see. Okay, if you want, then you can draw from here. Again, just okay, you can see in this way you can draw link from here. Then the image icon, if you want, then you can add image from here. And this is the printer. If you click here, then printer will be open, and if you want, then you can print this page or document from here. And the very right side, if you hover on it, then the tools, click here, then you can see print, save. If you want, then you can download and save this document. And another thing is rotate clockwise. If you want, then you can rotate this document. Okay, let's check it. So click just here, rotate clockwise. You can see the document is rotate clockwise. If you click here, the counter clockwise. Okay, you can see the document is rotated. So you can do it from here. Then another thing is hand tool. If you click here again, okay, this is the hand tool. You can see this is the hand icon is showing, and you can down and up this document. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to embed this type of PDF in our website with Elementor free plugin. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and to hover on plugins, click on add plugin. Just type here Embed Press. This is the plugin which is showing very fast. So in this tutorial we are going to use this plugin. So just click install now, then the activate. After install and activating the plugin, you can see a new option is added in left side menu, Embed Press. If you click on this Embed Press, then you will be redirect the plugin settings page. This is the plugin settings page. Another way you can go through the settings page, just go to the installed plugins, just scroll down and check where is the Embed Press plugin. Okay, this is the Embed Press plugin. If you click here settings, then you will be redirect the setting page. Okay, this is the settings page, and you can check the settings from here. It's very easy. I hope if you read the settings, you will be easily understand. Okay, very important thing is elements. Just click and navigate to this tab. We have to work here Gutenberg. If you work with Gutenberg, then you can enable from here. Actually I want to work with Elementor, so this is the Elementor section and I have to enable it from here. Just click this toggle button and enable which you need. Okay, actually currently all items are enabled and I want to keep it enabled. Okay, but in this tutorial I will use Embed Press PDF. Okay, just click here and you can check it from here. Now our Embed Press PDF widget is ready to use. So again, go to the website, and already I have created a page PDF embed, and I want to add or I want to embed PDF here. So edit with Elementor, click here. Edit with Elementor. Now hit on the plus icon and flex box. I want to use it very fast. Okay, then again click the plus icon. Select the structure, container layout, flex box, and content with box. I want to it fluid, and I think it will be like I prefer pixel, and pixel will be 1905 pixel, and I want to give some padding. So navigate to the advanced tab and give padding. Top will be 50 and bottom will be 50. Then hit on this plus icon, and from the left side bottom type here embed press. You can see this is the embed press widget. Just drag and drop here. This is on PDF, and another is that actually we have to use it embed press, and this is the embed press PDF. Okay, so drag and drop here. Okay, document file, you can choose file and URL. Actually I want to use file, so select file and the upload file. Click this upload icon, and already if you upload a PDF, then you can choose from here, or if you want, then you can upload from here. Just upload files and select files, then choose from here. This is the PDF file, open it. Then from the right side bottom select. Okay, you can see the PDF file preview is showing perfectly, and then just go to the left side, then the general. Already I have uploaded the file. Then the view style modern, you can see default setting modern. If you want, then you can change from here. Fill box, actually then you can navigate it from like a slider. Actually I want this modern. Then the width 600, actually I want to give like percentage and the 100%. Okay, so I want to give it. Okay, then the height, like I want to give like 1000, so I want to give 1000. Okay, then scroll down, you can see this is powered by Embed Press. So if you want, then you can hide it from here. This is the powered by, just hide it. The custom branding is actually pro feature. Then now I can close it. Then the control, then the control settings here, verified general. Then the controls, and you can manage it from here, like toolbar position. Okay, print and PDF presentation mode, lazy load. You can check every settings from here. Then the EP add settings, you can see it's the pro, and another is pro. And EP social share, if you click here, and you can enable social share from here, like enable it, then you can see the social share is showing. Just publish it, then visit the page. Okay, you can see this is the social share, so you can enable and disable from here. Okay, this is the settings. Actually I hope it will be very helpful. So if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Please stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.